Designed for off-road use, superior pedal design installs like any other pedal and quickly transfers between bikes, compatible with SHIMANO SPD Cleats, sold separately. Rally XC100 single sensing power meter measures total power and cadence with the option to upgrade to a dual sensing system. Works seamlessly with the Garmin ecosystem to allow for easy software updates via your Garmin watch, Edge cycling computers or the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. For postride analysis, data sharing, mapping, route planning and more, sync your data with the Garmin Connect app, with a compatible device, as well as platforms such as Strava and TrainingPeaks. With a compatible device, train indoors by connecting with the Tacx Training app and additional third-party platforms, including TrainerRoad and more. Top reviews from the United States. These sync up perfectly to my Garmin Edge 130 Plus. I gave it a 2 on battery life because I've learned you have to turn off the Garmin Edge 130 when it's charging or it'll continue to sync to sensors and drain their batteries. It's happened twice that the battery in the pedals has died after 2 days of use, and you'll probably have to buy batteries online since nobody else seems to carry them. That said, batteries are easy to swap with a 4mm hex. Garmin, please come up with a software update to save me from buying batteries.